Hi everyone, this is our birdhouses of May 2020. This was definitely a fun project for me and my boys to make. If you have little kids, definitely go to Dollar General, get you some popsicle sticks or Dollar Tree. Get some popsicle sticks, a hot glue gun, some hot glue, and some acrylic paints, and just let them have a ball with it. And also get some twine or some type of rope to hang it with, and that's all we did here. We glued it together and boom, here it goes. And my boys had a wonderful time hanging them up as well. So this was also, like I said, just a fun project for us to do. Try it out with your kids. Post and tag us. Hang it up. Put it up there good because fall might break. Got the wind blowing. All right, Mason got his up. All right, Lo, what you got going? That's good, Mason. No, Lo, can't see it. There you go. Turn it around so the birds can go in it.